right, y'all, I've got some questions. All right, so hey, welcome to the channel. First and foremost, I actually filmed this makeup look because your girl's back in the beauty room. She's doing some makeup reviews and try-ons. So I will probably have that video up after this one. So stay tuned, might as well subscribe. Before we jump into today's confusing unboxings, which may not be confusing to some, but to me when I got this, I was like, what? Okay, I'll explain later. But anyways, a huge shout out and thank you to my YouTube members for helping to support the channel. I greatly appreciate each and every single one of y'all. To those clicking the thanks button and tipping and donating to the channel, thank you guys so much. And for those of you that are taking my videos and sharing them on Facebook, can I just say thank you from the bottom of my heart, because it truly does help this channel with growth, and I definitely appreciate it. And for those of you that are returning or new, thank you guys so much for being here. Okay, let's just get into it. I'm confused with the box. You guys know that Boxycharm was sold a couple years ago, and eventually Ipsy made the move, Boxycharm by Ipsy, to produce all new boxes. Okay, fabulous, great. You got me in the rhythm of seeing those beautiful pastel pink boxes or purple and rainbow boxes that show up, and then all of a sudden this did. And I was like, I'm confused. I mean, it's not that big of a deal. But for me, who is a very regimented routine person, you throw off my routine, your girl's gonna spiral. She's gonna be 10 times confused. So this Boxycharm by Ipsy is a subscription that is in fact monthly. And I did make sure to check how much I'm paying, because I was telling you guys, I think 35 after tax. It was like 33 and change after tax here in Kentucky. Now with the Boxycharm by Ipsy, you get 5 items that are full size. You are customizing 3 out of the 5. The other 2 are their picks of what they're gonna recommend. Now I will say, I did some shopping this time. I didn't spend a ton of money, but did you guys see they had the aloe magnesium spray for $12? You guys, I live on this. I spray myself down in the morning, through the day if I'm stressed, and then right after bath time. This stuff is amazing. I love it. It's one of the only magnesium sprays that I've ever tried that don't burn my skin. I know that sounds weird, but I've tried some and they hurt. So anyways, let's get into the unbox. Well, this video took a turn. It took a turn because I'm in fact not unboxing a Boxycharm box like I thought. I'm unboxing what I purchased. Oh, I forgot about that. The Isle of Paradise. This is the Isle of Paradise Day Dew Self Tan Face Mist. It's a gradual glow. I've never tried this it's like only for your face. I've never tried it. Now currently I don't, like, I know I'm tan right now, but I only tan from here down. From here up, I have like towels and everything on my face because I had a procedure done, and then I'm gonna have another one done on my rosacea area, so I can't have sun. So anytime I do my makeup, it's literally to match this. So I picked this up so when I could start putting that kind of stuff on my face. It was a really good deal. I can't remember, but it was. And then remember how I just said the aloe stuff? Yeah, here it is. Magnesium Reset. It's really good too before bed. You can put it on your feet, your armpits, everywhere. I love this stuff. So why I'm confused is the fact that, well, the new thing that they were doing is when you purchase the stuff, it was supposed to come with your subscription. I was gonna say I got this mighty early, so I was excited about that. I made my picks, I did my shopping, and then I got this. So that's okay. The video is not done. All right, I actually didn't unbag my Ipsy glam bag for January. You guys want to see that? Okay, hold on one second. Okay, so I'm gonna just unbag this because it's been sitting there. Haley and I were gonna film an Ipsy versus Ipsy, but my poor baby child ended up getting food poisoning, and we couldn't film our podcast or this for like a week. So now it's February. So Boxycharm or Ipsy confused me, so I'm like, well, I guess I'll just unbag this because I have no clue what's in here. So the glam bag, this is January's, guys. So if you're still here, cool, thank you, I appreciate it. This is where we embrace the hot mess, all right? So this is the January bag. February will be coming, but you do get deluxe size samples in your glam bag, which with the, like, I love that. The lights, I got natural lighting and a little bit of a ring light here, but I love sparkle. I can't focus because I love sparkle so much. But this bag, ooh, yay. What? These are my products. You do get to customize one item in here. Deluxe size samples. You're still here, thank you. All right, so the first item, I'm gonna put this in a giveaway because I actually received it in PR. But this is the Lucky Chic eyeshadow palette in Daydream, or by Daydreams. This is so pretty. It kind of reminds me of a Huda Beauty palette because it's like a little 9-pan, but look how pretty that is. Honestly, this to me, like, steals the show. I'm just excited right here to receive that. So, I mean, it's a nice, simple, neutral kind of eye look to me. So, very nice. Happy about that. Next in here, I received the Rise Above Floss Lengthening Mascara. And you guys, I am so in love with the L'Oreal Panorama Mascara. I don't know how the floss one is, and I'm going to ask you guys. Tell me down below, do I keep this or do I gift it? Because I've never tried the floss, but you guys got me falling in love with the ABH mascara, the volumizing one. I was just gonna gift it, but I had opened it up and I was like, oh, I guess I can't. And a lot of you guys were in my comment section like, I would have taken it, but you need to try it because that stuff is really good. And I listened because sometimes I'm a good listener. Y'all were right. It was really good. All right, next in here, I got the Beauty for Certain Rosado. It is a high shine lip oil, which I just got a lip oil in PR from the Boxycharm by Ipsy. I gotta sneeze and I'm fighting it really hard, but I love this stuff. This one's really pretty. It's got like the shimmers and sparkles in it, but I think I'm gonna see if Haley wants it or I will gift it. But I do really like lip oils. I'll put that over here. She'll be here tomorrow. Next, I got the Nicole Miller. Is this a perfume? Siren? Okay, so what I'm not gonna do is immediately spray it right on me. I thought it was, oh look, there's a coupon in here. 50% off all Nicole Miller fragrances. NMS50 at checkout. We'll save you 50%. So the other day, I got a sample of this replica, I think it was, perfume in my Sephora order. Well, I was like, it's replica. I know I like replica perfume, so I'll love this. I put it on me. I swear to you, I smell like a Porta-John. Yeah. Did not mix with my oils. I kind of like that. It's like clean, but fruity and fun. I like this a lot. Okay, I can get down with that. I don't know how to describe it, but it's one that, in all honesty, I may just go and pick it up with this 50% off coupon because I really like the smell of this. Does it have, I'll have to go online and see what the notes are, but this is really nice. It does, oh, top notes. Fresh ozone, aloe vera, fig, radiant rose. The mid notes are dewy lilac blossom, freesia, bouquet, and the base notes are water lily, watery musk, and sandalwood. I like this a lot. Like, this is one I would throw in my purse and freshen up. I like that a lot. And is that everything? No. This is the thing I was confused about. Because in here it looks like it's going to be like a bronzer shade. But this is the Tarte Shape Tape Radiant Concealer. And this is in 29 Neutral Light Medium, which is great because that is, in fact, the shade that I use. They had this for $15 at TikTok Shop, y'all, and I was like, I'm sure it's like this size. No, full size. I don't know if the deal's still going on. It was something that Tarte was running with TikTok, but this is perfect. I do have a trip coming up, so I could easily just pack that in my bag. So yeah, okay. Shoot, I'm really sad. I really had wished that Haley and I had done our Ipsy versus Ipsy because I really think I would have won. This was good. All right, so retail value of the Floss Mascara that I've already somehow misplaced here was $22 for the full-size version. This lip oil was $22 full size. This It's right in front of me. The palette, $20. This oh my goodness. So this perfume, full size, is $90. Thank God for that 50% off coupon. What's that, $45? Depending on the size, honestly, 100 milliliters, I think $45 is a good deal for this. I'm gonna see how it wears. You know what it reminds me of? A conditioner. I don't know what conditioner, but that, you know, after you, I don't remember what conditioner that is, but it smells really good. And then the little mini full size of the Tarte is $31, unless the deal is still going on TikTok shop, then you want $15. I think that was even with shipping too. It was amazing. Overall, gosh darn it to heck, this was a really good bag for January. Hopefully February is as good. My kiddo doesn't get food poisoning and we can film that video. Anyways, if you want to see more of Haley and I, go check out our podcast, Unconditional Hot Mess. It's just random. There's no structure. It's just two ADHDers bouncing off of each other. Good fun times. Hopefully we'll be back with some more unboxings of our Ipsys, and check me out on my other channel, Hot Mess Mama in the house, Hot Mess Mama Vlogs. I am everywhere, including TikTok and Instagram at Hot Mess Mama 4. So this video took a wild turn. Totally not how it started, but here's how it ended, and hope you guys enjoyed it. Anyways, friends, until next time, as always, kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye.